If you are there with Jesus as the people he's speaking to, they could not be Muslims. They could not be true believers except through the prophet of their time. Like today, you would have to believe in the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Says,
Mark
"You will not know the
13.
hour."
Okay, I'll show it to you, bro. No problem. Mark 13:32.
Jesus doesn't know the hour of his return, too. So we shouldn't predict it, right?
But of that day and hour, no one knows, not even the angels in heaven, nor the Son, but only the Father.
Okay. Yes.
Red line.
Yeah.
So Jesus doesn't know the hour.
Okay.
And if he's not all-knowing, he definitely can't be all God.
Well,
I would disagree.
You think God can be not know things? Isn't God all-knowing?
Yes.
So if God is all-knowing and Jesus didn't know the hour, he cannot be fully God.
well, that's a
I would disagree with
that's a part of the Trinity that it's hard.
That's the confusing part.
Yeah, it is.
And God is not the author of confusion.
Confusion.
Anyway,
Yeah.
go ahead. You want to show me something?
No. I'm
All
just
right.
saying these two things again don't contradict for us.
They do. Clearly.
Not for us.
No problem. We can agree to disagree.
Yeah, sure.
I appreciate your time, Simon.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh. Do you guys have a Quran? You said you have.
So I have a
Do
final
you have a
question.
Quran? Go ahead. I got you. Go ahead.
So how can we be saved in the Muslim faith?
I got you.
Yes.
Believe in God. Don't worship Jesus. Don't worship idols. Don't worship people. Don't worship saints. Worship none but the one true God. Follow the prophet of your time. And the time
Follow
right
the
now.
prophet of my time.
Yes. Now is the time of the Prophet Muhammad, chronologically. Peace be upon him. That's it.
Oh, okay.
If you want to do your shahada, I'm ready.
I'm not ready yet.
All right, not yet, but you're on your journey.
Yeah.
All right.
My
Appreciate
question
it.
would be, I have one more question.
I
Is
got
that,
you.
Like, so clearly you don't believe that Jesus says that he is God, right? He doesn't
I
say those
don't.
exact words, but I believe
Doesn't.
it's very clear from the Bible in multiple
I do
places,
not
and
believe
showed you
that.
one place.
And I
He's saying-
responded to that,
Yes.
letting you
And
know
you
that
disagree.
in Koine Greek,
Yes.
that word is used for
Yes.
others than Jesus repeatedly, and I can show you at
Yes.
least 10 of those in Koine Greek, like in the actual language. So that does not say Jesus is God. Nowhere in the Bible does Jesus say, I am God.
So
it's very clear. And if he was
does
God,
say though that he has the authority to forgive sins, and two, that he is the pathway to heaven. So
Okay.
when you see that, and when you say he is a prophet sent
I
from
got
the
you.
Lord, right?
I got you.
Then what? How do you, I guess, make that like juxtaposition
I got
work?
it. I got
because
it.
to me, that is
I got it.
very much like
I heard you.
something where it doesn't line up with what the Quran
Okay,
says about
now-
Jesus being a prophet.
Okay, now,
And he
can-
says very
can-
clearly, right?
can-
I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me.
I got you.
Right. So what would you say when you hear that?
I got you. Let me
Yeah.
respond. All right,
Yeah.
good.
Oh, well, I just wanted to finish.
I like
You gotta let me
it.
finish.
No, but
I gotta let you finish, right?
gotta do the same thing for each other,
I got
brother.
your question from
Yeah.
like three repeated repetitions before, right?
Yeah, okay.
Which is, when Jesus says nobody can go to the Father except through me, 100%, he's the prophet of that time. He's speaking to the people of that time. As I said, you must follow the prophet of the time. If I was there in the time of Jesus, I could not be a Muslim except by following Jesus. Right? Even till today, I love Jesus. I believe in him. He's a prophet of God. I respect him. I have nothing but pure belief and love for him, right?
Yeah.
If you are there with Jesus as the people he's speaking to, they could not be Muslims. They could not be true believers except through the prophet of their time. Like today, you would have to believe in the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So that's the response, right? Secondly, when a prophet comes, he does miracles. He does things on the authority of God. He prays for the forgivenesses of people. That is authority given to him by who?
God.
There you go. If he was God, hold on. If he was God, would he get authority from God?
Well, if it was three different aspects.
I got
of
you.
one
I
God,
got you,
he
bro.
would.
Listen,
But my
if
question
there's
would be,
three aspects,
he doesn't have the
why does
authority to
one
say,
give
like-
authority to the other?
But he's saying,
Hold
I
on,
myself have the authority.
But who
to
gave him
forgive
that?
sins.
Who gave him that?
Well, we
Who gave him that?
We believe that he is God.
No, but who gave him that authority? You said God.
He has that.
So if God gave him that authority, then he's not God to have begin
Jesus
with.
is God.
Then why does he say to the Father, my God?
Right, because he's a human on earth.
So then he's not God.
But
Well,
he is.
that's the part that
Does
I don't-
God have a God?
That's the part where you need to soften your heart.
Trust
believe
me,
in Jesus.
it's more like you have to
Right.
blind your eyes and blind your heart.
Well, I wanted to say so, so
All right.
I'm sorry
Anyway,
about
Simon,
that.
I appreciate
Yeah,
your time.
yeah.
Thank you so much. It was
I
a
would-
pleasant
I would think- what's your
conversation.
name?
Uthman.
Uthman?
Yes.
Okay, Josh.
And I'll tell you what, if you have time,
Yeah.
I'd love to sit down with a Greek manuscript.
Yes.
I don't have it with me here, but I do have it.
How often are you out here?
Not very often, but we can keep in touch.
Okay.
I'm from San Diego.
Oh, you're from San Diego.
Yeah.
That's why you got the Padres hat. I'm a Giants fan.
San
but I
San
like
Diego.
The Padres way more
No. San Diego hat, not a Padres hat.
Oh, okay.
I don't like football, baseball.
it looks like
I
Padres,
just
so.
rep my city.
Gotcha. I feel you.
I like beautiful conversation.
all right, let's
Thank
be
you so much.
Wonderful
prayerful.
conversation.
All right.
Yeah, let's be
Let's do
prayerful.
this.
Yeah.
I've read the Bible. You read the Quran with an open heart.
Okay.
And if
Yes.
it guides you, it guides you.
Yeah. I pray the same for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
And
Yeah.
obviously, you're very knowledgeable, more than
Not
more
that
than
much.
more than
No.
my friends.
I think you guys are both
but
very knowledgeable.
I would love to have a conversation with you again.
For sure,
I will
for
be
sure.
prepared to be much stronger.
No problem. It's not a debate, right? It's
No,
a
I know it's not a
conversation,
debate.
right? Look, if you go home and pray and like, not just to argue, but think about these verses and read a Quran. If it makes sense to you, if Allah guides you, great. I've read the Bible cover to cover.
Yeah.
I've been to church since I was a kid. Like don't think that I haven't like spent time in church with pastors and preachers
Yeah.
and Catholic churches and Protestant and Baptist, and today I was talking to Orthodox and Jehovah's Witnesses and the Latter-day Saints.
Yeah, that doesn't
You know?
make you like safe though.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
You know what makes me safe?
Yeah.
Belief in the same one God that Jesus did and praying and submitting to that one God that Jesus did. You know what doesn't make you safe? Praying to a prophet of God instead of the God that he prayed to.
Yeah, that's where we
And that's-
disagree.
we would disagree.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.